Good morning to all. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Bhandaraj Mode, Dosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Today's topic is configuration of MOSFET and analysis of the MOSFET. In previous sections, we will discuss about the small signal model of a MOSFET and FET. And in previous sections, we will discuss about types of MOSFET, construction, working of the MOSFET. Now, common source amplifier with unbypassed RS. In this topic, source is common for input and output, so it is called common source amplifier with unbypassed RS. RS is not present here, is unbypassed. So the analysis is discussed here of this circuit of MOSFET FET. V in input supply AC is given at gate terminal for controlling the output current ID, and VDD is for drain in reverse bias, and RS current is flow from drain to source, and output is collected at drain terminal. So it is common source, so at the output is collected at drain, and for common drain output is collected at source, so it's different. Is the S parameter of this circuit. A small signal model of this circuit is here. All DC supply are removed because AC analysis is discussed here, so all DC components VDD and capacitors are removed here. Only AC supply are here, and FET and MOSFET are represented by a small signal model of we will discuss earlier. This is the small signal model complete circuit. V in is input, gate, source is common, drain is output. So the output is collected at RD. Output current is flow from ID to RS. So total current is ID, and ID is divided in two parts, GM VGS and ID 1 upon RD. So first we will calculate here equation for ID. What is the equation for ID? So we calculate by the applying KVL formula in loop first and loop second. Common source configuration is similar to common ammeter configuration of BJT, where output is taken at collector terminal. Common source configuration along with voltage divider circuit with obtaining AC model. So the applying KVL in second loop in this circuit. In the second loop, we apply KVL. In this circuit, we apply KVL here in this direction. ID, RD minus ID minus GMVGS into RD, ID into RS. This is first equation. apply KVL, we will get the first second loop for IDRD plus ID minus GVGS into RD plus IDRS equals to 0. VGN is equals to VN and VSN equals to IDRS and VGS equals to VGN plus VNS. So VGS equals to VN minus IDRS. We put the equation for here VGS, and finally we calculate the equation for ID is GMRD VN. This is the equation for ID. Final equation is this. This equation is used in later. ID equals to GM VN into RD upon R capital RD plus small rd plus RS into 1 plus GM RD. This is the final equation for ID. And this is the amplification factor nu and GMRD. We will put GMRD ID equals to this, and output is minus ID RD. Output here equals to minus ID RD because the direction of current is opposite, so sign is minus. So the output minus ID RD. We will put the equation of ID, and voltage gain is output voltage upon input voltage. This is the voltage gain. So we calculate V in is upon then minus nu RD upon RD plus RS 1 plus nu is the voltage gain of common source amplifier. Negative sign is nothing but it shows the phase shift between voltage and current. This is the final equation. V out is, we use voltage divider formula here. V out is RL into Vs upon RL plus R node. So we will put the equation of Vs from the first equation, and we calculate V out. And it is the final diagram. Load resistance is equal to drain resistance, and internal resistance is equal to RD plus 1 plus nu into RS, and input is equal to nu V in. So the output resistance is R node plus RD, R node parallel RD. We calculate here. If the source resistance is considered here, what is the voltage gain of the circuit? RS is considered here bypassed. Common source amplifier with bypassed. First circuit is unbypassed, second is bypass. When the RS is bypassed with a capacitor, then the voltage gain is different for the common source. We translate this circuit into a small signal model like that. Simplified model is the final diagram. And we apply KVL and get the ID is common for all, and output is minus IRD. We put the equation of I and calculate voltage gain equals to minus nu RD upon RD plus RD. So if the source resistance is bypassed and unbypassed, then the voltage gain is different for both circuits. And next is common drain amplifier. Here drain is common and output is collected at source terminal. In common source terminal, output is taken at drain terminal here, but in common drain terminal, output is taken at source terminal here, and this is output. And in common source, this is output. Only one difference here. ID KVL is apply here, then ID equation is common for common source and common drain. ID equation same for both circuit. We will put the IDRS, this is the output. IDRS, this is the output, and we will get the V node upon V in from gain. This is the output ID RS, and output is put the value of ID and output is calculated and voltage gain calculated from here. This is the output voltage and voltage gain. Voltage gain equals to 1 for common drain. So common drain is work as a source follower. We use it source follower circuit. Source follower. V out source supply, output collected at RS, and internal resistance, load resistance, and this is the internal voltage of the circuit. We will get the load resistance, total resistance of the circuit. This is the total resistance of this circuit is that here R0 dash is RD plus RD upon 1 plus nu. So is the common source and common drain FET and MOSFET is thus common for both, and calculations is calculated by the small signal model for energy analysis. So thanks to all, visit this video.